May kasalanan rin dyan ang ating Korte Suprema nung pinasyon sa Supreme Court. Do you have to be a member of the sector, the party list sector? Ang sabi ng Supreme Court, hindi. So, hindi ka kailangan maging security guard para mag-run to the security guard party. Hindi ka kailangan maging labor to run for labor party. Hindi ka pwedeng, you don't need to belong to the sector as long as advocacy mo yan. So, dapat the highest court of the land has spoken. Para i-reverse nila yung sarili nila, dapat talagang sabihin na naman ng kagaya ng Integrated Bar. Yung guest natin last week na Jimmy, si President ng Integrated Bar, at saka mga lawyers, at saka mga kasama ng lawyers, question yung ibig sabihin ng political dynasties. Dapat i-question din yung talagang substance ng party list, no? Kasi dapat ang party list para sa marginalized. At maganda yung sinabi mo na na wala namang totoong labor representing labor sa Kongreso kasi dito sa Sydney meron talagang labor party. Parang sa US, Republican may Democrat.
Let me ask the question to Greg. Greg,
Yeah.
you have this